Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Stripe billing for recurring subscriptions, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Stripe account. Navigate to the billing section from the main dashboard. Click on Settings in the top right corner. Under the billing settings, select Payment Methods. Enable the payment methods you want to offer for recurring subscriptions. Next, go back to the billing dashboard. Click on Subscriptions to begin setting up your first subscription plan. Select Add a plan to create a new subscription plan. Enter a name for your subscription plan. Set the pricing. Choose the billing interval, such as monthly or annually. Decide if you want a free trial and set its duration if applicable. You can also configure usage-based billing if your service requires it. Once you've filled in the required details, click on Save. Now, go to the Customers section to add a customer. Click on Add Customer to create a new customer profile. Fill in the customer's email address and other details. Add a payment method for the customer. After saving, navigate back to the Subscriptions section. Select the subscription plan you created earlier. Assign the subscription to the customer you've just added. Review the summary of the subscription details. Once everything looks correct, finalize the subscription. You can now manage and track this subscription through the dashboard. To automate notifications, set up webhooks in the Developers section. Test the entire subscription process to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Your Stripe billing for recurring subscriptions is now activated and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.